Assalamu alaikum guys, how are all of you? So today I'm telling you just a simple face mask. This simple face mask you can make it with the home ingredients. Okay, kitchen ingredients. You can use only simple ingredients. What you have to do, just you have to take a bowl or salad, and you have to just put 1 spoon of atta, 2 spoon of besan, and some chutki of haldi, very small amount of haldi. After that, just squeeze one lemon in it, or 2 or 3 drops of lemon, and then you have to just mix the rose water. Okay, rose water, and you have to put the rose water about 1.5 tablespoon. Okay, just put 1.5 tablespoon of rose water, and then after then you have to add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. This is a very simple mask. You can just use this mask after a week or twice a week. This is nothing harmful for any type of skin. This is for normal, sensitive, and any type of skin, and it's very 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 effective. Okay, after that you have mixed 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and now mix it with a brush. This brush is easily available at any shop. If it is not, if this material is so thick, then you can add more yogurt or rose water in it according to the uh, choice, according to the requirement. Then mix it well, and like this, I'm just adding 1 more tablespoon of yogurt in it. After that, I'm just going to mix it well and make a thick paste of it, like this. I'm just mixing the stuff, and this is very useful. You can use it on your face, neck, hands, or foots, and this is very very easy, and it's easily made. You can make it in 5 minutes or 3 minutes. After mixing it well, just put it, and you have to just make a layer of it on your face and hands as well. Just before applying, just band your hair. Okay, put a rubber band on your hair so that it should be not left on your hairs, and it's only left on your skin, face, like this is also easily available. This hair band is easily available. This catches the hair totally, and okay, now I'm just applying it on my hands. You can see the color of my hand, and after that I will just show you a picture, the skin, at how it is very effective. You will just see the difference, like this is the hairband. Okay, there is no any filter. This is my original skin, and now I'm just pasting the this mask on my hands in front of you, and just paste it well on your fingers, hands, thumbs in even tone, and just wait. It's a really magic, means there is no camera effect, as most of the time the viewers say this is the camera effect. No, this is the simple camera, mobile camera, and I have not done some effect, anything else, or editing. So I'm just pasting the mask on my hand so that you people can see the difference, and just keep watching. I'm just pasting it, so it hardly takes you only 5 to 10 minutes of making the mask and just applying the mask on your skin. And now you can see I have just laid the mask on my hand, uh, of half of my arms, and like this. You will just have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes, or you can wait for more, as nowadays weather is not so cold or not so hot, so it will take much time. Or you can leave it for half an hour, and then you have to just wash it like this. I'm just washing, just rub it on your skin. You can use it twice a week, There is no any camera, there is no any camera filter or effect. Yeah, like you can see the difference. Yes, the skin on which I have left the mask is totally different from the skin on which the mask is not left. So you people can see the difference easily. This is the simple camera. I'm just making video from the simple camera. I haven't used any effect, and this is very 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 effective. For more effectiveness, you can just rub it on your skin. I didn't rub, I just washed it out, and this is very effective. So guys, this is a very helpful tip. I hope so this will be very helpful for you. You can use it at your home for any skin types or for at any age. Even boys or girls both can use it. And just keep watching my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you, and please comment if you like it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.